Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AK Cooks, and today I'm going to do one of Bangladeshi dish, and it's a dry fish curry, and it's very highly requested me to do that dish, and I'm going to do for everybody. So I'm going to use two medium-sized potatoes, and it's like cut quite big cube size, and I'm going to use some green beans. It's the French green beans, and I'm just cutting like half, just like this. The spices I'm going to use are half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. So here's the coriander, and I'm going to use like couple of pinch of coriander in there. And garlic, I used 1 medium-sized garlic in there, fine chopped. And the fish called gual, it's Sylheti we call that. So it's a big fish, and as you can see it's cut by cubes, and I'm going to use that. Very nice fish. And I'm going to use 2 medium-sized onion, fine chopped, and 4 green chili. I cut it half. It's a very spicy dish, but you could less the spice. So I'm going to start the So I'm just using a medium-sized pan, and it's medium heat, so it's hot now. So I'm just gonna add the oil. I don't need too much oil in there, so I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Should be alright. So I'm just gonna let it hot for about 30 to 40 seconds, so the oil get hot. So the pan is hot now, so I'm just going to add the garlic. So I'll put the pan high heat now. So I'm just going to give a couple of seconds to garlic get a little bit golden brown. As you can see, the garlic's gone brown now, so I'm just gonna add the onions, and I'm gonna adding the onions and the green chilies now. Just gonna mix it properly. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt as your taste. I'm going to give a good mix. Then, because I need the onions to get soft, so I'm just going to add 1 cup of water in there. So when I'm cooking, the onion doesn't get burned. So I'm going to keep it for a couple of minutes. And I'm going to put the lid on. I'm just going to take the lid off now. The onions are ready now. I did check between that and try to stir as well. And I did break it like this. So I'm going to show you. If it's still not soft, you just do like this. And my onions are ready. So I'm going to add the spices now. Just going to put the heat in the medium heat now. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and about a little bit more than half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm just going to give it a stir now, mix the spices. As you can see, it's coming very lovely color. I'm just going to put the heat high now. Just for a couple of minutes, so the spice and everything cooks nicely. It's starting to get the oil out from the spices. That means cooking well. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit water. And I'm going to mix it again. And I'm going to keep it for medium heat for about a couple of minutes. And I'm going to put the lid on. So I took the lid off now, and as you can see, the spices are ready. So that took me about 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So I put the heat high now. So I'm just going to add the dry fishes now into the spice. Give it a good stir, mix it properly. That's perfect. So I'm just going to add half a cup of water and give it another mix. And I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes and put the lid on. So I'm just going to take the lid off now. And this is good 9 to 10 minutes. It was high, I just put it on medium heat now. So I'm just going to add the potatoes and the green beans. I'm going to put the heat high again. Just going to mix all. So I'm just going to add another half a cup of water in there and just leave it for another couple of minutes. So as you can see, the potatoes are nearly half cooked, the beans are, everything is looking good. So between that I did add about another half a cup of water, and I did look at it and stir as well. So I'm just going to add to finish off another half a cup of water. And I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes. Go. So this is after 15 to 20 minutes. The water reduced, the potato is cooked, the fish is cooked, beans, everything's cooked now. So it's done now. So I'm just going to add some coriander. So it's just done. So it's done now.
Hope you like, and please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye and Assalamu alaikum.